Hey everybody, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Well, it's our weekly show. It's 10:30 Wednesday. Stingaree opens at 11 o'clock today. In fact, Stingaree is located at 1295 North Stingaree Road here in Crystal Beach, Texas. They're open Wednesday through Sunday at 11 a.m. And I tell you what, until the sun goes down, don't even think about them closing. So, you know, Stingaree's been here for generations. They're known for their fresh seafood, their hand-cut steaks, their Frosty Muggaritas, their free sunsets, and their live music. And with summer winding down, none of that's going to change for a while. In fact, they've got some great music coming up for this weekend on Friday night and on Saturday night. And make sure you check out the live music for Labor Day weekend. Friday night, Saturday night, and Sunday night. And they've got a great lineup. So, you know, Stingaree's known in the community for giving back to the community. And it's a destination. In fact, it's a travel destination. A lot of people on Saturdays or Sunday may drive in from Beaumont or Conroe or Houston or Pearland just to enjoy some great seafood and of course the view across East Galveston Bay. And I tell you what, you can't beat the view as the sun heads towards the horizon, setting for another day, and it paints the sky with those vivid colors. There's nothing better than spending time here with family and friends on the upper Texas coast. Team Bolivar invites you down. The Smiling Wait staff, myself and Brad invite you down to come explore Bolivar Peninsula and enjoy some great seafood here at Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located at 1295 North Stingaree Road, overlooking East Galveston Bay. You can find out more information on Stingaree on their website at www.stingaree.com. You can also look on their event calendar and get all the live music. They've got live music lined up through September into October and into November. And so we're looking forward to seeing some great bands down here. Stingaree is not just a restaurant. It's also a marina where you can launch your boat, get gas on the water, catch your trout, redfish or flounder, and bring it in, and they'll actually cook it for you. And if you want a different perspective of the bay and the surroundings, make sure you hook up with Third Coast Parasail. Enjoy a little view from the sky on one of their parasail trips that now runs out of Stingaree Restaurant and Marina. You can find out more information on them, call the marina, or look them up on social media or their website. So we just wanted to give you a little view, let you know the music on Friday night, Saturday night, it's not going to wind down, and they've got a great Labor Day weekend lined up here on the dock of the bay at Stingaree Restaurant. Make sure you say hi, because I always stop by on the weekends to catch that live music, enjoy some fresh seafood, and maybe even tip a Frosty Muggarita every once in a while. Until next time, I'm David with Bolivar Live. Y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. Come explore Bolivar Peninsula. Come enjoy some fresh seafood, a Frosty Muggarita, a hand-cut steak, and a beautiful free sunset here on the dock of the bay at Stingaree Restaurant. Until next time, y'all have a great day, great week. Come see us. God bless, and bye-bye.
Stingaree Restaurant and Marina, located overlooking East Galveston Bay at 1295 North Stingaree Road in Crystal Beach, Texas. Known for their incredible views over East Galveston Bay almost as much as their fabulous fresh seafood, including seafood platters fried or grilled, seared or grilled tuna, hand-cut steaks, and let's not forget their famous bread pudding. Stingaree Restaurant isn't just any restaurant. It's a travel destination with Frosty Muggaritas, fresh seafood, and free sunsets over East Galveston Bay. From fresh seafood to American favorites like Texas-sized chicken fried steak, grilled chicken, or hand-cut grilled ribeye or filet. Remember, from spring through fall, free live music can be heard every weekend at Down Under on the dock of the bay. For more information on Stingaree Restaurant, Marina, RV Park on the Water, or event live music calendar, visit www.stingaree.com.